Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you bump to this video. Today, I want to talk about this particular testnet. This testnet is called Camp Network. It's one of the easiest testnet that you can do. You can do it with your phone, you can do it with your PC, anyone that is very easy for you, you can do it. I'm using my phone to do this particular project. When you get your referral link, go to your Mrs. browser or any of the browser that is available to you. Paste the link. When you paste it, the interface will pop up like this. Then you connect your wallet. You can see here, I've connected my already. Then when you connect your wallet, you can see all this quest. You complete this quest. We have so many quests to complete. You complete it. When you are done completing with this quest, I have Twitter, I have Discord, numerous to mention. When you are done with all these quests, you are done. Then you wait for their feedback. If today is your first time coming across my video, please do not make it your last. Make sure you subscribe. I'm pleading with you to subscribe. Subscribe, like, share for others to see and watch this one that I will be dropping every testnet that you can run on your PC and that of your mobile phone, and easiest one that you can mine at that. I'll be dropping it in this my channel, so do well to click back and shake to know when I on your notification button to know when I drop new video. Please, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.